Hi, today we'll be learning how to create a component in Figma. First we need to create a button. So I am creating submit button. So go to InDesign, here make into the adjust the font. I have used Poppins medium and 20 size. So then I will create a frame because I need to create a button with the auto layout system. So click on auto layout, make it center, and left padding I have to 20, and the right top and bottom is 10. So this is my responsive button, you can see. Then I have changed the, like we need to fill the button with a color. I'll use this one. This is the big, yeah. And then I will use the corner radius with the 4 to 8. Based upon the design or a frame you are selecting, you can change. After creating frame, what I will do, I will create a component for, because when we are creating for while hover or on click action, we need to change the animations. So on click the create a component. After creating component, we will get an instance because we need to create a variant of this button. Click on add variant. On clicking on add variant, we will get another instance. So we need to change that instance to dark, and that variant, when hovering, we need to have a shadow effect. If you want to have a make this one as light gray, yeah, and go to the prototype, select the first default variant and create a prototype. Drag and drop. What we want for the animation, click on while hover, change to property and variant to how the animation we should look like. It should be a smart animate, easy in, easy out, 400 milliseconds. Yeah, this is the button or a component that's already created. So we need to use this button in our design. So first I will create a new button here. Go to the asset panel. This one will be the created component will be available here. So drag and drop it here. If you want to check the animation, go to, okay, one sec, okay, correct. Just go to play the animation. So here on click, it's changing, right? This is how you usually create a component in Figma.